most crappy way of doing it is your center line. Would you say the chest is just one big ab? Just had too much to eat. And then all these other smaller abs. There's even this muscle right here. Looks like an ab, but it's just part of the rib cage. Sort of like this. The ends of the abs kind of match up with your nipples. Or does it? Not with everyone. Sometimes the nipples will be this far apart. The rib cage starts here at the second ab. And crotch. The hip. To imagine this bucket. And your leg. Another tube. Always remember where your center line is. Neck. Anyway, let's focus on the abs. So I just wanted to draw some abs today. So now I got my lay in there. And now, where should this arm be? Here or down here? Let's just put it out of the way. Okay. Now, this is how you render abs. I'll put in another layer. So first decide where your light is. My light will be coming from there. So then if I imagine the abs like chiclets, maybe you guys are too young to know what chiclets are, but they are a type of gum. And I'm imagining this to be like chiclets and raise one side is down. I'll just say use two values. This is just for practice. I am not making it too perfect. All I know is one side will go down. We'll turn away from the light. Yeah, there. Just do it hard first. Cast shadow on the other ab. And maybe this ab turns faster like this. It's not, so it's like a hill. The light is hitting it this way. if I was standing right beside it, it would look like this. Connect to the other ab. And abs. I used to have some. Okay, now we're gonna soften the ab a little. The part where it turns right here. You could either eight abs. Can we just add? I know I'm not supposed to do chest, but I just need to some shadow. Maybe push this into the. It just looks better overall if you make everything relate. This guy has a really long torso. Oh. Okay. Alright, and this part probably goes underneath because the rib cage, you know, show that. I'm using the eraser right now because this is a different layer to just erase some parts. And this is where I probably look for reference because I don't really know exactly what the muscles are. I know it does this. We're gonna make made up muscles for you. But what I really wanted to show was when I would just soften the transition from one side to the other side, making sure I have hard shadow, hard line here and a soft line of transition to the dark. So light side, dark side, and in between I will there'll be only two values in the dark, so go to the darkest just to push it and turn, because I could probably even go darker. So there's a clear separation. Maybe this is in the crevices. And even your shape design. Putting shadow here because the light is more in the bottom there. So we don't need to see his face. Okay, I'm going too far. I just wanted to focus on the abs. The abs, yeah. So figure invention, abs, shadow side, only two values, just this for practice. And yeah, there. Now we zoom out. There's the abs. Now on, do another layer or go underneath. this side, because this can't be white. You have to like at least put it down to, there will be 3 values in the light side. Be like a middle, or you have to be careful, you just cover it all. We're just gonna focus on the abs here. Yeah, so there. Abs, you can use your lasso tool to hit the light part, so you have, sorry, I will put another layer on top of the shadow side just so I could cut into so I could have a variety of line quality. See, even if it's like, this is almost like doing like some kind of reflection. So yeah, abs. You could even do different shapes. It's like, as long as you have the values correct, you could play around and really design some of it. Even if it's not correct, it could look right. Then the quick color layer on top, you could do an overlay. Maybe his green. Maybe it's Incredible Hulk transforming. You could do a lighter overlay. At least this way you have your base value structure ready. Oh, I just zoom out just so I can see if it still reads from afar. You could do this where you could color dodge. Maybe the color of the light is, yellow. Soften your brush. I'll soften my brush. Anyway, I gotta answer that. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and talk to you later. Bye.